Peter poked a poker at the piper, so the piper poked pepper at Peter.